Hello everybody, welcome to our second educational video. Today we're gonna discuss swing failure pattern, what is it and what to look for. First I wanna mention that this is the beginner's guide, for which you only gonna need trading view and candles. There are advanced techniques like looking into the volume, delta, open interest, orders, etc. I'm gonna make a separate video for them, and also it's gonna be special for our Discord. If you want to join the Discord, the link is in the description. It's free access, join now. So, what is a swing failure pattern? Swing failure pattern is, let's say you have a pivotal high or a pivotal low, where you know there's stops, e.g. a stop hunt. Let's say you're playing with $10 million and let's say you're trading Bitcoin. Just as an example, but this pattern works on every single asset, doesn't matter. Me especially, I'm trading heavily on crypto, BTC and ETH, also Euro USD and the US 500. This pattern is valid in these assets, also in much more, and I would say actually every single asset. Okay, just for this example, I'm gonna use BTC USD. So let's say you're playing with 10 million USD and you want to get filled. Simply, if you're trading with $10 million, you can get your order filled, let's say here or here. Just as an example, that's just a number, okay? It can be 100 million, it can be 1 billion, doesn't matter. The higher the number, the more stops you're gonna need. Why? Because let's say you want a long somewhere here, okay? You know you have this low, you know you have these stops here. Everybody that is having his stop set here means that when price reaches this point, they're gonna get stopped out. Let's say they've been buying here, their stop is here. This means they're gonna sell here, okay? Because for every order there is somebody on the other side that is taking a trade, and in order to get filled with a very big position, you need lots of stops. So you want a long or this range. The place you want a long is at the bottom of the range and where you have the stops, which is here. You're looking for the stops because you need to get your position filled. If you don't have liquidity to get your position filled, you just can't get in, and that's it. So for the SFP, you need 3 points, A, B and C. So the point A is where you have the pivotal low. The point B is where you have the target for the overall, trade. And the point C is your entry, okay? So I would suggest that you swing failure pattern on 4 hour plus. Of course, you can use it on the 15 minute, on the 30 minute. It's reliable there as well. But I would suggest if you're a beginner, which this guide is for, if you're a beginner, use it on 4 hour plus. So in this example, you have point A, you have point B, you have point C. So you tap the stops and you close above, okay? When you close above the low, this is your entry signal. Okay, so you're gonna get in a long position when the candle closes, e.g. here. Stop is gonna be below the low, that's your invalidation. Entry here, and your overall target is gonna be point B. Risk reward ratio is relatively high. If it's traded correctly, you can achieve 90-95% win rate with this type of pattern. The risk reward is gonna be high as well, almost every single time. So essentially, this is how the trade looks like. You're gonna take profit at the golden pocket from B to C, and also your overall target is point B. Usually, when we enter in this kind of trades, you leave this kind of wicks. So usually, if you let's say you get into the market here, you just jump in front of the PC around here, you can just look to re-enter at the place where the wick is, which is gonna be in this area. Oops. You're gonna be looking like this. You're gonna be looking to enter around here if you miss the time when the event is happening. Your place to re-enter is in this box where the wick is being left. So this is the longs example, and just to mention, if I just flip the screen like this, you can see the perfect short example, which is actually, even if I don't flip the screen, if we look at it like this, okay, let me just delete everything. Have this high, you have this high, this is gonna be point A now, point A and point B, point C is gonna be here. This is how it's gonna be looking like. Point A, point B, and point C. Your overall target of this trade is point B. You're gonna be looking like this. Stops above the high. This. You can see the risk reward is extremely high. I'm saying again, if you're using the advanced techniques like open interest, delta, you can almost achieve 95-100% win rate with this type of strategy if you know what you're doing. The first golden pocket, the first take profit is gonna be the golden pocket, which gets absolutely smashed through, and we continue downwards. And of course, in this type of trade, you want to be taking, let's say, 50% at the golden pocket, 30% at point B, and you can let the rest run almost every time until you get stop out. Essentially, you're in a risk-free trade. You're not gonna lose absolutely anything. This is the beginner guide for swing failure pattern. The Discord link is in the description. If you want to join, make sure you do. That's everything for now. I wish you a very nice day or night, depending where you are. Follow us, push the bell so you can receive the notifications. That was everything for today. I wish you greatness and wisdom. Bye bye.